Hi guys, so today we are doing this look, this grungy autumn vibes look with the Lois Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underworld. This is an UK indie brand. The palette looks absolutely autumn for me. You have copper greens, purple shades, mauvey tones, matte black. You have everything you want. You can imagine in a palette for autumn. So this is the look. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up. Bye guys! Hello beautifuls, today we are here for another look with the autumn vibes with the Lois Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underworld. This was released a few months ago. Lois Cosmetics is a UK indie brand. This is a very autumn palette for me. You have black to deepen up your look, greens, purpley mauves, and a lot of beautiful shimmers. So let's get started. I will start with my eyes first, and then out of camera do my face look. I have a little bit of headache, so this is why I look a little bit undertone. But I'm a little bit tired. I haven't slept very well in a while, without any particular reason actually, so I don't know why. However, let's go ahead with this look. This is my usual Kaleidos High Primer, Tone Activator, it's the name. I don't know if they're still selling this one. I haven't checked on their website. You know, Kaleidos has released recently two other collection of lip tint. I have two. So let's see what we are going to do today. I don't know. Let's start with these footsteps, this mauve here. If you are based in Europe like me, I'm from Italy, you will have to pay custom duties since Brexit ordering from UK. That's a pity because we have a lot of UK indie brand, interesting indie brand in UK, but this will not stop me to try all of them in the future. Just to know that you have to pay a little bit on top of the expenses you pay on the website. This is just a base for the shadows I'm going to apply in a second. This shade is very blendable. Look. Okay, a little bit more on my left eye. Okay, here we are. Then with a smaller brush I will go with Woodlands, this green here. So pretty. I'm going to apply this one on top. Okay. You can do very grungy looks with this palette, but you still have some browns to do a more wearable look if you wish to go with a more simply and everyday look. Maybe you're not confident to use such dark shade. You have a lot of shimmer shade that are very pretty. and all of them are not patchy, they blend very well together. I will apply a very bright, this is a blending brush, with this small brush from Hood & Size FR5. I'd like to start with this shade here called Lyre. I'm not sure how to pronounce. I will say Lyre, but it's Lira in Italian. This orange coppery shade, it's very pretty. And I'm applying with this stiff brush because these shades are very creamy, so with a stiff brush you can apply exactly where you want the shadow to be. And in the inner corner I will go ahead with the Poetry, this rosy pinky shade here. And blend together the coppery and the rosy shade. Then with a blending brush, a smaller one, I take Tragic Love, this one, and blend a little bit on the green. Just to warm a little bit the socket. And then again with the first brush I've used, this bigger one, I will blend all together. Also the outer edge here, let's blend a little bit outside. Let's take a small brush like this one and pick up the Underworld shade. It's a black matte shade, just to deepen the outer V. Same on the other side. And then go back to the blending brush and blend. I will pick up again Woodlands, the green, just applying a little bit in here. Okay, so my face is done. Eyelashes. I decided to put on some eyelash falsies. These are from Lancile Vidici lashes, magnetic ones. So let's start applying this. Okay, the set is made like this. You have 5 different eyelashes. I will finish the eyeliner with the Nabla serial liner, going to the inner corner. Okay, and then I will line outside my eyes with this goldy pencil underneath here. You will not see the pencil, me neither actually. And then with a small brush I will apply Orpheus, this goldy shade, in the inner part, half. And then on the outer part, forest. Oh, we could also have used enchanted. I will apply also enchanted in the middle. Between the gold Orpheus and the forest green. This. Okay, just let's apply a little bit of black coal on the waterline. And a little bit of mascara. There is a dog. On my lips I have this orangey metallic shade from Shiglam. There's, I don't know the name, Killer. So just let me remove my lip balm and let's try. I've used this lip gloss, lipstick once. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up. See you soon, bye guys.